it's your third time for the movie, no? Kung sakaling bibigyan kayo ng choice, kung i-offer kayo ng ibang genre, it's not a romantic comedy. Would you be willing to work together again?
That would be interesting to consider. Kasi, ako inisip ko, ano bang susunod for me and Sarah? Parang, rom-com ba ulit? Or, hindi ko alam eh. And it keeps me wondering. So, mas exciting siya. So, when something keeps you guessing, so, para sa akin, mas exciting. So, I'm looking forward kung ano man yung may isip ng Star or ng Viva para sa aming dalawa. But to answer the question directly, I'm willing to try anything as long as it's with Sarah.
Bago sumagot si Sarah, let's all welcome our director, Eka. So, Miss Carmen Raimundo, the creator of the characters and the story. Halika, Miss Direct, please. Another chair for Miss Carmen, please. Ayan. Okay, pabatiin muna natin bago sumagot si Miss Sarah. Direct, bati ka naman sa mga top vloggers natin, please.
Hello, first time ko to. Ano ba ginagawa dito?
Pero press ko, wala lang intriga. Hindi lang sila mahilig mang-intriga.
Good.
Miss Carmi.
Hello, good afternoon po.
Okay. Miss Sarah, it's your turn.
Yun yung inaabangan ko.
Init eh.
It looks forward.
I mean,
So, yun yung inaabangan ko sa aming dalawa. Kasi syempre tumatanda na rin kami. At ako, personally gusto kong mag-grow as an actor, as an actress. At wala akong naiisip na ibang leading man na gagawin yun.
meron po bang Seiko?
SG, wala na.
Upload po sa
Okay.
concept.
Next question, please. Ayan, si Crystal.
John Lloyd. In the trailer, we saw how Laida's character was so different. So, in Midi's part, what are the differences between the Midi before and the Midi now?
Wala.
Has Midi changed or same?
Malaki. Hindi lang siguro evident dun sa trailer. But actually, kaya nagkaroon ng part. Malaking dahilan is kung bakit. Dahil ano siya eh, to the rescue eh. To the rescue si Laida, as always, sa kanyang love of her life. And kung ano man, kung ang, siguro kayo naman sabihin na direct.
Kung speaking point tayo.
Ano eh, parang, ano lang, sumuko na lang siya. Naging indifferent. So, malaking, diba, coming from You Changed My Life. Ganda-ganda na tapos. So,
and to Miss Sarah naman, we saw in the trailer how different you portrayed Laida. So, who was your inspiration, or what was your inspiration behind that to pull that character off? Because I believe so that you, in personal life, you're like very formal, but in that movie, you really like push the boundaries. So, what and who is your inspiration? Do you have an actress, or have you watched any movies?
Ay, all out English na, no? Parang ako mismo ko pa na. Go Stars!
I am.
Oh my God!
I myself.
Hi! Hi!
Hindi, sobrang ko naka-identify sa character ko. Sabi ni Direk Cathy, matagal kami hindi nagkasama, nakatulong yun sa growth namin. As a person, at as Laida, kumbaga sinasabi ko na nga na parang si Laida at si Sarah iisa na lang eh. So yung pagiging braver at bolder at fiercer niya, parang si Sarah din yun. Yun nga lang, si Laida, ha? Oo, nakawit.
Okay. Next, go ahead.
Having said that, same lang sila ng character or hindi nagdaan. Ano yung natutunan mo
Hindi
as...
naman po same.
Oh,
Hindi naman same.
yung personality.
Personality.
Personality. So, ano yung natutunan mo as Laida na para pag dumaan ka or tinahak mo yung daan na yun is babago mo na siya or alam mo na as Sarah?
Matutulong ko sa kanya. Importante yun. Pag nagmahal ka, importante mag-mature ka, nandun yung understanding. At pag nagmahal ka, kasama yung pain, kasama yung joy, yung lahat. Kailangan handa kang tanggapin lahat ng yun. And, ano ba? Forgiveness. Doon mo malalaman kapag ka talagang mahal mo ang isang tao kapag ka willing ka mag-forgive. Doon mo malalaman kung gaano ka yung worth ng tao para sa'yo pag kinaya mong magpatawad.
So, pag nadaan ni Sarah yun, alam mo na.
Oo naman, dinadaanan ko na siya.
Oh, okay. How about John? Sa character naman ni Mimi, is there any similarity? John
Ako dyan siya umiyak sa question na yun ng press ko. Wala. What have you learned from your character?
Hindi ko alam kung intentional, but mula part 1, parang naging organic yung process ng paggawa ng mga pelikula namin. I'll speak for myself, sige, ako na lang. Talagang naging personal yung journey ni Miggy. And to this date, I can very much identify with him sa mga natutunan niya, sa mga pinagdaanan niya, and sa mga, especially itong part 3, talagang tumatak talaga siya. Kaya nga, nung natanong nga yan, talagang iwasan ng maging emotional. Saka, just the fact na, ito na parang ito na yung part 3, malamang ito na yung huli para sa amin ni Lyda. So, kasama na yun doon. Parang nahirapan lang din ako parang to disconnect ba. It's like saying goodbye to these characters na nag-exist sa buhay ko for the past how many years. And alam mo naman tayo pag tumabaho dito personal. So, hinayaan mo siya. Kaya lang naman ako naging